Welcome back, viewers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to take a holy dip in Prayagraj's Triveni Sangam on February 5th, that's tomorrow. During the ongoing Mahakumbh festival, the PM will also arrive in Prayagraj at 10 a.m. and reach the DPS helipad. And from there, he will reach the VIP jetty by Nishadraj Cruise. He will also stay there for about an hour. During this time, he will take the bath and then return. Mela officials have stated that the new proposed program does not include the earlier schedule, which included his visit to the State Pavilion and Netra Kumbh. The Prime Minister last visited Prayagraj on December 13th when he inaugurated and launched multiple development projects worth around 5,500 crore rupees. My colleague Abhishek Singh is there with me live on the broadcast from Prayagraj. Abhishek, what are the arrangements that have been made specifically right now, as in fact the holy city of Prayagraj is awaiting, in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit tomorrow when he is going to be taking a dip in Sangam?
The preparations are on and undergo. Also, CM Yogi Adityanath is coming to Prayagraj today with the Bhutan Prince, and with Bhutan Prince he is going to visit many of the places in the Prayagraj. He is going to take the holy dip in Prayagraj with the Bhutan Prince, and also coming to the Lete Hanuman Mandir, and also visit the digital Kumbh of Prayagraj. Also is going to take a meeting with the of senior officials of the Mela, Kumbh Mela of Prayagraj, and will discuss about the preparations being made and the route divergence being made for the PM's visit tomorrow. Also, PM Narendra Modi is going to take his holy dip in the Sangam, and after that he is going to take a round of the holy river Ganga through boat, and then he is going to come to the Lete Hanumanji Mandir, and after showing his praise in the Lete Hanuman Mandir, he is going to visit some of the sadhu sannyasis, some of the priests in the Mahakumbh Mela, and then he will going to go back to Delhi. These were the tentative schedules of PM Modi, and also preparations are undergoing. The security measures are being undergoing. Paramilitary forces and the 7-layered security is being made for the PM's visit tomorrow. Also, many of the senior officials are being deployed and being nodal officers for the route divergence, so that because of the PM visit, none of the devotees should get any of the problem for coming to the Sangam and taking their holy dip. These were the precautions being made so that none of the VIP movement should interrupt the pilgrimages, and also the devotees who are in the large number, lakhs and thousands and crores of numbers of people are coming to the Sangam for taking their holy dip. They should not get disturbed, or their devotion should not get interrupted because of the PM's visit. This is the point where the senior officers are working and they are making different route divergence. PM is going to be in Prayagraj for more than 2 hours. He is going to take his holy dip and show his prayers in the Lete Hanumanji Mandir. These were the tentative plans, and very soon the exact plan and minute-to-minute timing will come for the PM's visit tomorrow.
Well, all right, Abhishek. In fact, thank you very much for sharing these details. And through the visuals, I request